Are you ready to draw a sweet strawberry girl together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big ovals for the eyes. Now, inside each eye, draw a curved line for the pupil. And draw tiny white circles to make them shiny. Now color the pupils black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and cute. For extra cuteness, draw 3 little eyelashes on each eye. Draw a small curved line for the nose. Draw a happy smiling mouth. Now draw the round shape of the face. Follow me. Draw the top hair shape like this. Perfect! Draw the body. Draw a small neck first. Great! Draw the body. Her body is smaller than her head, so draw thin lines close together. Whenever you need, pause the video and draw. Keep going. Draw the arms on both sides. Now draw the legs using soft curved lines. Add clothes details. Let's draw her strawberry hat. Awesome job! Let's draw the hair together. She has beautiful wavy hair. Great job! Add some seeds for it. You can color your drawing, just like the reference picture. And we're done. If you like this video, please like, turn on the bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.